Alright everyone, welcome to part 4 of the look at the custom Predators. And yeah, sorry about last time the battery went out. But in any case, here we have the more interesting one here, which is Stalker. Now Stalker was interesting because it's like, unlike the other Predators who have like air-based alt modes, he has a land-based alt mode. Now the original thing about him, he's the apparently like the comms expert of the Predators. So it's like he basically makes sure that all their communications stay like what's the word, like encoded, so that the Autobots can't scramble them or anything, or like receive them. But he also, it's like, enjoys us scrambling Autobot communications as well. Now, in his case, it's like he could have gone one of two ways. He was originally a tank that carried a missile, like a missile carrier, like treaded vehicle. But the options, it's like for vehicles, were either a Rook here, which is this six-wheeled APC, or you could have gone with Brawl. But that one would have had the missile more centered, and let's just say that the robot works way better for Rook here. So one of the interesting things about making this custom was, again, it was heavily based on Fake Buster, but Fake Buster didn't have this missile. The thing about this missile, it wasn't designed for the Combiner Wars. It was essentially made to turn the Titan's Return a hardhead into Stalker. And at first, it's like I didn't know if it would work with this or not. Like we were basically just going to go with the Fake Buster's version, but then Cooljaz's like, man, I really wish we had, it's like a missile. So I found the missile, but I wasn't sure it was going to work. But then it's like I remembered that it was meant to replace the huge cannon, it's like on hardhead. And that one had, it's like a 5mm peg. So I'm like, wait a minute, if that one has a 5mm peg, then this has to have a 5mm peg. So that means it's like that if it did, then it could work with this. So I did a little test with that, and that's how that turned out. And the missile was, again, from Shapeways, from Prize inside Overrate Forge, by Overrate Forge. And he basically sold it as a, they sold it as a whole kit that had, it's like the missile, like some extra little missiles, as well as like a head for the Titan Master. And then this version only had, it's like the missile and the Predator gun, which you see there. So we went with that. The other thing about that's nice about the Rook mold is it has two pegs, so it allows you to carry two hand-foot guns. So it carries the one for snare as well. So you have that option going. It allows you to carry all the stuff. And, this one here, I guess, kind of works as an antenna of sorts. Just go with it. It's easier. And yeah, and this one here's the Predator gun that came with the missile. And the missile also has a peg, so you could probably peg it in there if you want or something. So yeah. So here we go, and yeah, again, crazy Skolamach territory camouflage. The green on the wheels and the headlights, if you will, to unify the whole Predator look. Yeah. Let's start getting it transformed then. And again, you gotta be careful with the tightness there, sometimes with the paint. The feet. And there you go. There we have Stalker in his robot mode, and there you see the head, which is similar to sound waves, but yeah, it was also made by Aerial Customs. And one of the neat things about another of the Rook mold is that it allows you to take that missile and peg it in the back here, very similar to the Stalker, so you got that going for it. And then you can take both of the hand-foot guns and plug them into the side. So he basically carries everything. You can just take the Predator gun, put it there as an antenna of sorts, just go with it. And then you have this attack claw for interrogation purposes, if you will. And another fun thing about the missile and the way the backpack goes is that it can actually tilt forward, so you can like tilt the missile in various angles. So that's just overall really neat. Yeah, apparently Fakebuster was quite impressed by the missile. So yeah, very nice. The insignia was pasted on the waist. It's like right on the combiner peg, so that's something. And there you have the various Predator heavily armed version, and yeah. So there's the missile. There's the other insignia. So yeah, that's a Stalker for you. Overall, it's like a... Yeah, that missile makes it quite fun. Like I said, you can tilt it forward if you'd like. So that's another fun hidden feature, if you will. Oh, there we go. Knocked him down. But yeah, Stalker. So we're getting there. Catch you soon with Skydive. Bye.